Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about executive negotiation language. Negotiation is disciplined communication. Strong negotiators remain calm. Emotion weakens negotiation strength. Professional language protects relationships. Relationships support long-term agreements. Let us focus on interests, not on personal positions. Positions create conflict. Interests create solutions. Effective negotiators listen carefully. Listening reveals hidden priorities. Let us respond with clarity. Clarity prevents misunderstanding. Negotiation requires patience. Rushed decisions create mistakes. Strategic language reduces tension. Reduced tension improves cooperation. Let us remain respectful. Respect maintains stability. Successful negotiation builds mutual value. Mutual value strengthens partnerships. Negotiation is not victory, negotiation is balance. Balanced agreements create lasting success. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.